You're probably watching this tutorial if you've been having trouble accessing or viewing the zone maps on Mountain View School District's website. So we're going to head over to the district website right now, sd244.org. Go ahead and go to the district button here. It pops up a list. Go to the bottom of the list to zone maps. Click that. It's going to load a page with a detailed instruction on how to access the zone maps file. But I'm just going to walk you through it so you have a visual help. Go ahead and click the hot link. It's going to take you to Google's Google Earth page. And you can launch Google Earth by clicking this button up here. It'll launch the application. While that's loading, go ahead and head back to the Zone Maps tab in your browser. Scroll down to the Mountain View Zone Maps file download right here. Go ahead and click that. It's going to automatically download, at least in my browser, probably to your downloads folder or a place where you usually download things. Click on the arrow, say show in folder, and it'll automatically take you to the folder. Once you're there, right click on the zipped folder and click extract all. What this is going to do is take all of those files and unzip it into a readable format for Google Earth. So we're going to go ahead and extract the folder. As you can see, it automatically opened it up for me. But if we go back to our downloads folder, you can see now there's no zipper on the folder. So double click that and you're going to see that KMZ file here. So now go ahead and go back to your Google Earth application. As you can see, mine's going to finish loading in just a moment here. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see these buttons. This button right here with a little pin is called the Projects button. If you click that, it's going to allow you to open a project file. And you're going to want to click Import KML file from computer. Click that, it's going to pop up with a box that will allow you to select the file that you want to upload to Google Earth. So for me, it automatically opened it, but you might have to navigate to your downloads folder. For example, go to my PC, go to downloads, and I can open up the Mountain View file. I can click KMZ. It's going to automatically upload that file and read it in Google Earth. It's going to take me to that zone map listing in Google Earth. From here, you can zoom in, view the different zones, view their locations as they traverse through the region. Hopefully that helps you guys out.